out!
Oh, hi there, Gumboot Kids.
Let's run around. Come on, make some noise. We'll play outside. Solve some of nature's magical mysteries. We're living, loving life's adventures. Oh yeah, that's how it is.
Come on!
When you're a Gumboot Kid.
Hi there, Gumboot Kids. Do you hear that? I love it when birds visit my garden. That's why I always water my bird feeder. It helps it grow big and tall. I know what you're thinking. How can a bird feeder grow? Well, that's today's nature mystery, the case of the growing bird feeder. Let's check out my field notes for 3 clues to help you solve this mystery. Clue number 1.
Sunshine!
It's fun in the sun as long as you cover up and keep cool. Don't you think, Gumboot Kids? Now, clue number 2.
Yellow!
Those flowers are yellow.
You're on the right track, Gumboot Kids. Clue number 3.
Seeds!
These are seeds inside the flowers.
Aha! Well done, nature detectives. Now let's connect the clues to solve the mystery. What loves the sunshine, is yellow, and grows seeds?
These are sunflowers.
That's it, nature detectives. But what's with the growing bird feeder?
Check it out. That bird is eating seeds from the sunflower. And sunflowers grow. I get it. The sunflower is the growing bird feeder.
That's right, nature detectives.
We did it! Case closed! Yay!
Well done, Gumboot Kids. Now let's pause and have a mindful moment. As sunflowers grow, the flower turns to follow the sun. Next time you're outside and the sun is shining, sit somewhere peaceful, close your eyes, and turn toward the sun, just like the sunflower. Feel the warmth on your skin. Smile as you feel gratitude for the life force that gives our planet energy.
You can be my sunflower, I'll be your sunshine. We'll rise and shine together, meet you halfway up in the sky. Come on and shine when you're feeling low. Come on and shine when you're all alone. Come on and shine when you feel afraid. Just like the sunshine. Come on and shine when you're feeling low. Come on and shine when you're all alone. Come on and shine, 'cause it's just your time. Just like the sun shines. Just like the sun shines.
Sunflowers sure make me feel sunny, and their seeds make the perfect snack. And not only for the birds. See you soon, Gumboot Kids.
Good night, Scouts!
Just like the sunshine. Come on and shine when you're feeling low. Come on and shine when you're all alone. Come on and shine, 'cause it's just your time. Just like the sun shines. Just like the sun shines. Just like the